I'm trying too consistent, I ain't lying. Hey. YouTube, what it do? I'm back with another one. It's your boy, Amigo the Entrepreneur. About to go do a house wash real quick. I'm just putting some water in my downstream tank. I got this one full. I'm just filling that one up. It's about full now. I got a fresh 30 gallons of SH, 12.5. Got everything ready. I got some 10% in the truck so I can put in my pump up sprayer in case I need it. You know, in case I have to hit a certain spot that the downstreaming ain't doing. Other than that, we about to get it, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Y'all go check out the other videos we've been dropping. Hit that notification bell. Y'all tap in, man. We about to go up, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all. We gotta wash this house. Clean that front walkway. It's dirty. Y'all can see it. We ain't gotta do none of this yet. Y'all know me, I'ma always try to upsell, but we gotta clean that back patio. I'ma throw that in free, you know. Alright, y'all, just got done doing this front walkway. I'm about to rinse it down real quick. Get that dirty stuff down, what we just made. And then I'm gonna start applying my chemical from right here, from the front all the way around. Then I'm gonna come back and rinse from right here to that corner right there. And then we're gonna do the back and the other side. Y'all stay tuned.
We're rinsing down the sidewalk.
Show y'all how green these stairs is. I'm about to bring it back real quick. Y'all know what we do. Y'all stay tuned. About to wash this house now. Clean already. You can see that working. I got that side soaked. Really need to just go on and just knock this back concrete slab out real quick while this soaked. That's what we gonna do. Turbo knob along there. I'm finna come back here and wash the house, and I apply the chemical to this side and that side over there. I'm just gonna put a little small ocean though, make it clean. We'll go back and rinse this in the front. About to apply the chemical. I'm rinsing it down. I always rinse first. I'm about to apply the chemical from right here on around over there. And then let me show y'all something real quick. All we gotta do right here. Right there. See this owner right here? He told me don't worry about none of this. Right here. Then come around here. This right here. Get a little corner right here to right there. So I'm about to apply my chemical to all of this real quick. And then by the time I get done applying to here, it'll been set long enough around on this side, and I'm gonna rinse that, and then rinse all this, and we done. Put some more fat in my shit. Just a little more. It smells too sweet. You got to smell it now. That's how I like the smell, but I'm gonna put about 3 ounces more in it. About 3 more ounces in it. Smell kind of turn my surfactant up a little bit more. This side spray it down real good. Yeah, man, I do it. Just clean this shit up. Clean all of that part. You know, it's such a part of this. Clean all this shit. You know what? That's right. It's up. Everything else, so it's up. It's up. You know, you wash it, you don't clean it up. Let me show y'all something. Make sure, see that? See how I covered up my electrical sockets? Make sure you cover them up. You don't want no solution to get in there. You don't want that to happen. I'm about to rinse from right here on around. You see how clean it is already. I'm gonna rinse from the top down, from here on around. Well, to right there, we done. Give her about an hour. Next side gonna be clean too. Brother, all that gonna be clean over there by the time we get over there. Been set by 10 minutes, about 10, 15 minutes. I always rinse my side for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes aside. I rinse way longer than I apply, that's a fact.
Thing look good.
Cleaned up. Got the whole house clean. His front walkway clean and post treated. Got these stairs clean, brought them back. Clean. Everything. Touched that red dirt up, removed all that was down there. How you doing?
Fine, how are you?
I'm all right. Clean, ain't it?
Looking good. Doesn't look like the same place. Does not look like the same place.
Clean that up. Gutters, surface, everything clean. Windows. I blowed this out, cleaned that up a little bit. Windows squeaky clean. Everything. Like I said, he told me to skip all that and just hit from right down around and right here to right there. So that's what I did. Y'all can see all that green gone. That was by that window. All that was down here. And I mean, it's clean. Y'all heard the home. This don't even look like the same place. I gotta start recording my customers' reactions when they see it. Y'all would be surprised what some of these folk be saying to me, man. Oh, that's clean. That's why I ain't gonna lie, y'all. 4 gallon a minute. If you got a 4 gallon a minute, use it to do what you gotta do. But if you can upgrade. But a 4 gallon a minute is great to do what you gotta do. Cause I got one and I'm about to upgrade, you know what I'm saying? So when they get to certain spots, it be hell applying and it be hell rinsing unless you got a ladder or something, you know? But it's clean, everything. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, subscribing, liking, everything. All the love we've been getting. I appreciate it, y'all. Y'all stay tuned for the next one. I'm gonna keep dropping them. We out. Tell them we out, babe.
We out, y'all. Y'all stay tuned, subscribe.
Yeah.
And keep watching.
For sure.
I'm in here getting warmed up.
Yeah. Y'all stay tuned, man. We out of here, man. I love y'all, man. For sure, we family. It's bigger than subscribers. Once you subscribe to my channel, you family. If I can help you, get in contact with me. Let's get it. Especially if you in Atlanta. If you in Atlanta, link up. I'm always ready to work. We going up, it's time. We been working hard and staying down. We grind, run that paper up and stack up every dime. Invest in myself.